Hey folks, and welcome back to the shop. I appreciate y'all joining me. Got us a good video planned. If you'll just meet me over here at the bench, I'll show you what we got and what we're gonna be working on. Today we're gonna talk about chain selection for your chainsaw. We're only gonna refer to the basic homeowner. There's more to it than what we're gonna talk about today, but we're gonna go over the principles. You ever went to a Home Depot, a Lowe's, or a Tractor Supply, told them what kind of saw you had, and you get home and the chain's wrong? Or maybe you went to a saw shop to get a chain, told them you want an 18-inch chain for your saw, and they tell you they need more information. I'm gonna show you today how to read your bar and why they ask you for that, and why a lot of places sometimes give you the wrong chain for your saw because they don't know. So there are three main things that you need to know to determine what chain to run on your saw. All of these are located on the bar of that saw. I'll show you the two different ways that they're identified and how a person uses that, and why it's important that you bring your bar and chain with you, or your saw and bar and chain, when you go to get a new chain. The first thing that you need to know is the pitch. That's the average distance in between your links. There's some information on that on the internet. Like I say, that is obtainable off the numbers on the bar if you just bring your bar with you. The second thing is your drive link. That is this piece here where it sits down into your bar. That you need to know because they're different. One won't sit in the other one, or let the chain lay sideways. And then the third thing you need to know is how many drive links are in that chain. All that is contained on that bar. Let me show you the two ways that bar is identified. Some bars print it directly on the bar. This is a 3/8. So remember, that's the average length in our drive links, averaged out. Where this sits down inside the bar, which would be the thickness of this part, is 0.050. And then the number of links that's in that chain is 84 drive links. So you need a 3/8 chain that's 0.050 thousandths that sits down in your bar, and there's 84 drive links to it. So with that, you can determine exactly what size chain to make. Then you have some bars that just have a series of numbers. That's that bar number. That can be used to look that bar up and determine those factors. So I hope this has helped you to be able to figure out what kind of chain you need for your saw. When you go into these big box stores, these people just don't know that. They're trying to help you, some of them. So you're gonna have to know what you're looking for. So that's my suggestion is to most homeowners, find you a good saw shop, somebody that's dependable and trustworthy. Stick with them. Don't try to save a dollar unless you know what you're doing yourself. And when you show up somewhere to get a bar and chain at a saw shop, or a chain for your saw, bring your bar, saw, everything that you have. It's gonna make it simpler, save you trips, and be nice to your local saw guy. So I appreciate y'all joining me. Until next time, y'all have a good weekend.